In 1912, a book dealer opened an ancient trunk and found the world's most unreadable book. 240 pages, written in a language that doesn't exist. Illustrated with plants no botanist has ever seen. For over 500 years, the world's best codebreakers have tried to crack it. Cryptographers, linguists, even artificial intelligence. Every single one has failed. This is the Voynich Manuscript, and today it's still unreadable. Villa Mondragone, Italy. Wilfrid Voynich, a rare book dealer with a nose for treasure, is rummaging through a forgotten monastery library. He opens a dusty chest. Inside, a vellum manuscript, handwritten, centuries old. But the moment he opens it, nothing makes sense. The text, an alphabet no one recognizes. The drawings, plants that don't exist. Star charts from no known astronomy. Naked women bathing in green liquid connected by strange tubes. Voynich knew immediately. This was either the find of the century or the greatest hoax ever made. He spent the rest of his life trying to decode it. He never did. The Voynich manuscript is divided into 6 mysterious sections. Section 1, herbal. Over 100 drawings of plants. But here's the thing, none of them exist. Not in Europe, not in Asia, nowhere on Earth. Section 2, astronomical. Zodiac wheels, moons, stars arranged in patterns that match no known calendar. Section 3, biological. This is where it gets weird. Dozens of tiny naked women bathing in green pools connected by tubes and channels. Are they cells? Organs? Some kind of ritual? No one knows. Section 4, cosmological. Circular diagrams, fold-out pages, maps of something. An imaginary world? A lost civilization? Section 5, pharmaceutical. Jars, roots, labeled drawings that look like ancient recipes. Section 6, text-only recipes. Pages and pages of short paragraphs, stars in the margins, instructions for what exactly? Scientists carbon-dated the parchment, early 1400s. The ink? Authentic. So if this is a hoax, it's a 500-year-old hoax that fooled modern science. For over a century, the world's greatest minds have taken their shot. Theory number 1, it's a lost medical text. Some believe it's a guide for women's health, written in code to protect forbidden knowledge. Theory number 2, Leonardo da Vinci wrote it as a child. The drawings do look Renaissance, but the timeline doesn't match. Theory number 3, it's an alien language. No, seriously. Some researchers argue the structure is too complex to be human gibberish. Theory number 4, it's proto-Romance language. In 2018, a researcher claimed it was a mix of lost Spanish, Italian, and Latin dialects. Headlines exploded. Within days, linguists tore it apart. The manuscript had won again. Even artificial intelligence has tried. In 2016, AI analyzed the patterns and concluded, this looks like a real language, but it still couldn't translate a single word. Some cryptographers say the repetition patterns are too structured to be random. Others say it's elaborate nonsense, the work of a medieval prankster with too much time and ink. So which is it? Here's the thing. The Voynich manuscript isn't just a book, it's a mirror. It reflects humanity's deepest obsession, the need to know. We've sent probes to the edge of the solar system. We've sequenced the human genome. We've built machines that can think. And yet, we can't read a book from 1400. Maybe it is a hoax. Maybe some monk got bored and decided to troll the future. Or maybe, just maybe, it's something we're not ready to understand yet. A forgotten science, a lost way of thinking, a message from a world we can't even imagine. And honestly, maybe that's the point. So here's my question for you. What do you think the Voynich Manuscript really is? A secret medical text? A medieval prank? Or something not from here? Drop your wildest theory in the comments. I read every single one. And if you're obsessed with mysteries like this, hit subscribe. We've got plenty more where this came from. Thanks for watching. Stay curious.